How to standardize Windows event log forwarding across SMBs. When Windows event logs stay siloed on individual endpoints, threat detection suffers and compliance becomes a headache. Standardizing Windows event log forwarding transforms all of that scattered data into one centralized, powerful monitoring platform. In this video, we'll walk you through a 5-step framework to build a scalable log forwarding system that works consistently across every SMB client you serve. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites to building your Windows event log forwarding framework. First things first, make sure you meet these requirements. Admin access to all client Windows devices, 10, 11, and server environments. Basic event log knowledge of security, application, and system categories. A central destination, like a server, RMM, or log management tool. Defined client needs for compliance and reporting. With everything in place, you can proceed with building your log forwarding framework, starting with defining what you need to collect. How to standardize Windows event log forwarding. Step 1. Define your scope. Forwarding everything isn't the answer. It creates noise, buries crucial alerts, and puts unnecessary strain on your infrastructure. Use a dual subscription model. A baseline subscription captures low-volume, critical events from all machines, while a targeted subscription pulls detailed data from specific devices. Your baseline should focus on 4 areas, aligned with compliance and business priorities. Security, logons, privilege changes, audit policy modifications. System, unexpected restarts, shutdowns, service failures. Application, software errors and crashes. Updates, service installation and failure events. Use real-time forwarding for critical security events and optimize delivery for less urgent operational data. Step 2. Standardize your policies. A monitoring framework only works if every device is configured the same way. For domain-joined environments, deploy via group policy. Push your collector address through computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, event forwarding. Enable the required services and lock in a standardized security audit policy. For non-domain workgroup computers, standardized PowerShell scripts and registry files get the job done just as cleanly. Step 3. Configure your collection points. Third, your collection points are where all incoming event data lands. For larger SMBs, a dedicated Windows Event Collector server works best, typically with 4 to 8 gigabytes of RAM and at least 2 CPU cores. For smaller clients, using an RMM agent for log collection can simplify deployment. Whatever you choose, build in redundancy, configure multiple collector URIs for automatic failover, and ensure clients can buffer logs locally during outages. Step 4. Automate alerts and reporting. Collecting logs is only half the story. The real value comes from what happens next. Configure your monitoring system to trigger automatically on high-severity patterns. Multiple failed logins, privilege escalation attempts, cleared security logs, critical service failures. For the most urgent events, use minimized latency delivery mode to receive alerts in near real time, and connect them to your PSA or RMM platform. You can also use targeted subscriptions to focus on high-risk devices and reduce alert noise. Step 5. Document and train. Lastly, the best framework falls apart without documentation and training. Build configuration runbooks your whole team can follow. Train technicians to read SMB event logs with context and recognize patterns that require immediate action. Overall, where fragmented event logs are a liability, a standardized forwarding framework is a competitive advantage. With consistent policies, automated alerts, and clear documentation, you close the visibility gaps across every client environment you manage. For more information, check out our official blog post on standardizing Windows event log forwarding, linked in the description below.